Hey, it's Captain Tony again from Marine Rescue Coeur d'Alene, and we're going to talk about that install of the Metro Marine lighting underwater lights that we put on our boat. So in the last little clip, you saw us do the install on the outside of the boat. Super easy, took no time at all. The hardest part was just figuring out where we wanted to put the lights. So once we got them installed on the outside, then we came to the inside, right? And you might think that's the complicated part, but it was actually super easy. So easy, it's almost hardly worth explaining, but I will. Once we routed the wires into the engine compartment, we made sure that they didn't interfere with anything like exhaust components or something that would be hot. The leads were plenty long enough, and we were going to mount the junction box somewhere in the back. But I'm a big fan of indicator lights. So the hub has an indicator light for power and multiple indicator lights for each fixture that you plug into it. So I'm like, I can't resist. I'm going to put that somewhere I can see it. And I decided to mount it over here in the back corner of the boat so it wouldn't be hidden. And as you can see, it's got those beautiful indicator lights on it. And it was just dreamy to install. So the fixtures are plug and play. You plug them in, you twist the latch, boom, you're done. The lead that goes off for the 24-hour power, again, super easy. You can just fuse it, take it to the battery directly. We had a 24-hour hot bus strip in the back of the boat, so we decided to use that. Then there's a tiny pigtail that comes off that is for switching the fixtures on and off. Now I thought, wow, the wires are really small on this, but they built in an integrated relay that actually turns the fixtures on, so there's no real draw on that lead. So we ran a small gauge wire from the hub. One portion of it went to our grounding bus in the back of the boat. The other wire we ran up to our helm, where we already had a pre-existing underwater light switch. A lot of boats will have an AUX. Put a nice indicator light on so we know that they're on. And spoiler alert, we checked them out and we were blown away. Particularly for people who like to swim at night. Sometimes the water's dark and it's a little scary. You turn these lights on and it's like you have your own swimming pool back there. It lights it up real bright. We were surprised. That's going to be coming up soon. We're going to show you just how bright these lights are. I want to circle back real quick to the lights themselves. I've been in the industry for decades, and a lot of times you'll look online and you'll want to upgrade a fixture with an LED fixture. Pictures online do not do these fixtures justice. They are a heavy-duty fixture. They're not injected plastic. You know, a lot of these lights are disposable. These are architectural. They look like they're built to stay underwater. As a matter of fact, I think they use their lights for marina lighting on pilings as well. So you want to check that out for marina lighting. Super cool. Heavy duty. Like when I say heavy duty architectural, I'm talking about something that feels like a permanent fixture, something that's going to last a lifetime. They use the dry gas technology, and that makes it so there's no condensation inside the lens ever, and you can be assured these things are going to last a lifetime. And I can't wait to show you how they look at night. So stay tuned.